Did time stop here? Discover the village lost in time.
Nestled in Southeast Asia, there's a village that time forgot. This isn't your typical story of ancient ruins or deserted ghost towns. This is Houtou One, China's overgrown village. Once a thriving fishing community, its residents abandoned it in the 1990s due to its remote location and difficult living conditions. Nature has since reclaimed the village, with vines and foliage draping over every building, creating a surreal green world. What's fascinating is that personal belongings remain untouched inside homes, as if the villagers left yesterday, making it a modern-day Pompeii. The mixture of man-made structures and wild nature tells a hauntingly beautiful tale of resilience and transformation. This site has drawn adventurers and photographers from around the world, eager to capture its eerie beauty and untold stories. Houtou One stands as a vivid reminder of nature's power to both destroy and beautify, leaving us to wonder what other secrets lie hidden, waiting to be discovered.
Did you know about the starry ghosts of Norway?
Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing colorful lights, dancing like ghosts. In Norway, this isn't a fairy tale. It's real. These lights are called the Northern Lights or aurora borealis. But here's the twist. Legends say they're not just lights. Ancient stories tell of the spirits of the dead guiding souls to the next world. Scientists explain these lights as solar particles hitting the Earth's atmosphere. Yet, locals might share tales of eerie feelings and mysterious happenings under these lights. Some say if you whistle under the aurora, you'll summon the spirits. Whether it's a natural wonder or a supernatural phenomenon, Norway's starry ghosts remain one of the world's magical mysteries. So, what would you do if you saw the Northern Lights? Would you dare to whistle?
Ever heard of the cowboy who became a science legend?
In the wild west of science, one name might not ring as many bells as Newton or Einstein, but it surely makes an impact. Meet Bass Reeves, a name you'd expect more in tales of outlaws and sheriffs, not science. But here's a twist. Bass wasn't just any cowboy. He was one of the first black deputy U.S. Marshals west of the Mississippi. Why is he in a science story? Because Bass brilliantly used forensic techniques way before they were cool, or even a proper field of study. Imagine a cowboy with his hat, boots, and scientific method. He used detailed knowledge of the land, understanding of human behavior, and even ballistics to track down and apprehend over 3,000 outlaws. His detective work was so precise, it laid foundational practices for modern forensic science. Yes, a cowboy who quietly shaped how crime scenes are investigated today. So next time you're watching a CSI episode, remember Bass Reeves, the cowboy who shot bullets of justice with the accuracy of scientific method.
Ever seen a living bridge? Yes, you heard that right.
In the wettest place on Earth, the Khasi Hills of Meghalaya, India, there's a unique and awe-inspiring tradition that has been passed down for centuries. Instead of building bridges with wood or stone, the indigenous Khasi people grow them from the roots of ancient rubber trees. These aren't your everyday bridges. They're living, breathing structures that get stronger as they age. Imagine walking across a bridge made entirely from intertwining tree roots, some of which are over 100 feet long. It takes about 15 to 30 years for a bridge to become fully functional, but once it's mature, it can support the weight of 50 people or more. These living root bridges are a sustainable solution to the region's high rainfall that would otherwise wash away man-made constructions. This incredible blend of nature and culture showcases human ingenuity in harmonizing with the environment, creating a legacy that benefits both current and future generations.
Ever heard of a cursed island where no one dares to live?
In the heart of the Pacific Ocean lies a mysterious island shrouded in curses, Nan Madol. Built on over 90 artificial islets off the coast of Pohnpei, this ancient city was the capital of the Saudeleur dynasty. Legend says it was constructed by twin sorcerers Olisipa and Olasopa, who came from the west, seeking a place to worship their gods. Using magic, they lifted massive basalt logs through the air, creating the city's immense structures. The sorcerers, upon completing the city, became the first rulers, establishing a dynasty that lasted a millennium. However, their use of dark magic soaked the island in curses. When the Saudeleur dynasty fell, it left the island abandoned, feared for its cursed past. Today, Nanmadol stands as a testament to these legends, a place full of unanswered questions and eerie deserted ruins. Locals and visitors alike are wary of its curse, with many avoiding the island altogether. The ruins of Nanmadol whisper tales of power, magic, and curses that linger in the salty Pacific air.
Ever heard of underwater crop circles?
Imagine diving into the ocean, swimming with colorful fish, and then stumbling upon a mysterious pattern on the seafloor. It looks like an intricate crop circle, but underwater. No, it's not aliens. It's the incredible work of a small fish. In Japan, these mesmerizing patterns are created by the pufferfish, a species known for its ability to inflate itself. The male pufferfish crafts these elaborate designs in the sand to attract females. They are not just artists. These fish are meticulous architects. The patterns are not only beautiful, but also serve a purpose. The ridges and grooves of the design help minimize ocean currents within the central nest area, protecting the eggs laid by the female. This love labor can take up to 9 days to complete, with the fish working day and night. Nature's creativity knows no bounds, showcasing that the greatest artists might just be swimming in the depths of the ocean.
Ever heard of the Whispering Forest in Estonia?
Hidden in the depths of Estonia lies a mysterious forest that locals call the Whispering Forest. Unlike any ordinary forest, this place is rumored to be alive with voices. Visitors have reported hearing soft whispers and rustling leaves, even on the calmest days with no wind. These aren't just any whispers. People say they sound like ancient conversations, with some even claiming to hear their names called out. Is it the trees communicating, or is it something more supernatural? Scientists have tried to explain this phenomenon by suggesting it could be the result of the unique way wind interacts with the landscape. Yet, no concrete explanation has been found, leaving room for myths to grow. Legends tell of an old civilization that once lived there, their spirits now guarding the sacred land. Whether it's a natural marvel or something out of this world, the Whispering Forest remains one of Estonia's most intriguing enigmas.
What ethnic group hunts with eagles?
Have you ever heard of a community that hunts with eagles? Yes, that's right. Eagles. In the rugged mountains of Mongolia, the Kazakh people have a unique tradition that will leave you in awe. For over 4,000 years, they have been practicing ancient falconry techniques, but with a twist, they use golden eagles. These majestic birds are not just pets. They are part of the family and a crucial partner in survival. The Kazakhs train these eagles from a young age to hunt foxes, rabbits, and even wolves during the harsh winter months. This practice is more than hunting. It's a deep bond between human and bird, showcasing incredible trust and cooperation. It's a stunning example of how humans and nature can work together in harmony. Imagine the skill and patience it takes to communicate and hunt with an eagle in the vast, open wilderness. This tradition, passed down through generations, is a beautiful testament to the Kazakh people's resilience and deep connection to their environment.
Did you know a castle can be made of ice? Find out how.
Imagine a castle, but not just any castle. Think of one that glimmers like diamonds under the sun, crafted not from stone or brick, but from ice. This isn't a fairy tale. It's the unique and fascinating tradition of the Harbin Ice Festival in China. Every year during winter, people from Harbin, a city in the northeast of China, and artists from around the world gather to carve magnificent structures out of ice. They use special tools to sculpt huge blocks of ice pulled from the frozen Songhua River, transforming them into breathtaking palaces, towering sculptures, and even slides for people to enjoy. They embed colorful LED lights within the ice, turning the entire scene into a magical, glowing wonderland as night falls. This tradition showcases not only creativity and skill, but also brings to life the enchanting beauty of winter in Harbin.
Ever heard of a space sheep? This Welsh tale will astound you.
In the valleys of Wales, under a sky lit with countless stars, there's a story that was whispered from generation to generation. It's not just about dragons and warriors, but of a creature more mystical, the space sheep. Legend says on the darkest nights when the fabric between our world and the cosmos thins, a glowing sheep with wool as bright as the stars themselves descends to Earth. This sheep, born from the constellation of Aries, possesses knowledge of the universe and grants wisdom to those pure of heart and brave enough to approach it. But there's a catch. Before the break of dawn, the space sheep must return to its celestial realm or be trapped on Earth, losing its cosmic glow forever. Many have tried to catch a glimpse of this marvel, venturing into the hills with hopes high and hearts open, yearning for the wisdom of the cosmos. Yet only the worthy have seen it, returning with tales of enlightenment and peace that puzzle and mesmerize the listeners. Do you think you're brave and pure enough to meet the space sheep?
Did you enjoy these 10 strange facts? We will bring you more interesting topics in the next video, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy.